So, hi everyone, welcome back to the series of current affair. Hopefully, you all doing well and healthy and aware about what happening toward your surrounding. So, today current affair for 30 जुलाई 30 जुलाई के करंट अफेयर क्या क्या है, लेट्स सी एंड देखते हैं उस दिन हमारे देश में क्या हुआ है एंड अवेयर रहने के लिए हमारे गवर्नमेंट एग्ज़ाम के लिए। तो इससे क्वेश्चंस बन सकते हैं, इससे तुम कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में एज पा सकते हो। तो चलो फिर शुरू करते हैं 30 जुलाई का करेंट अफेयर। ओके, फर्स्ट है इंडिया एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया साइन कॉम्पैक्ट फॉर क्रिटिकल मिनरल कॉर्पोरेशन। तो दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, साइन कॉम्पैक्ट फॉर क्रिटिकल मिनरल कॉर्पोरेशन इन जुलाई। ओके, India and Australia sign a 6-year compact to boost cooperation in critical mineral. It will ensure secure and resilient supply chain for key minerals. The partnership will support clean energy transition and environment technology. Okay, so this is the first news. The India and Australia sign compact for critical mineral corporation. Okay, cabinet. This is a very good question for the government examination. Many questions have partially have asked from the yojana, from the Krishi Dhan Yojana and other things. So cabinet approved PM Dhan Krishi Yojana. So this is the cabinet approved PM Dhan Krishi Yojana with a focus on 100 low productivity districts. Means the districts which have low productivity in the crop, like they include 100 district. Aim is to increase crop productivity, promote sustainable agriculture, and improve irrigation. Means they promote sustainable agriculture and improve irrigation. It will benefit farmer and strengthen food security. So this is very important. Okay, very important. PM Dhan Ye Krishi Yojana, approvement of, they approve PM Dhan Ye Krishi Yojana. Okay, now come to the ISRO Tech and Technology. ISRO successfully test semi-cryogenic engine. Means semi-cryogenic engine. What is semi-cryogenic? They use liquid oxygen and refined kerosene oil. Okay. So ISRO successfully tested the semi-cryogenic engine 200 kilonewton class at ISRO propulsion complex. This is a major step toward next generation launch vehicle. Okay, so this is a question as well, what is your semi cryogenic engine and what is its benefit. So it will reduce dependent on foreign technology. Okay, so that's, we all know that we are going to vocals for local. So this is one of the most important major step toward that also. So this reduce the dependence on foreign technology also. Okay, now coming to the fourth point, RBI RBI keep repo rate unchanged as 6%. Okay, so this is a very good. The Reserve Bank of India RBI kept the repo rate unchanged as 6% for the 12th consecutive time. Okay, learn this. Okay, 12th consecutive time. RBI maintained neutral stance on inflation. It aimed to support growth while controlling inflation. तो पॉइंट रिमेंबर क्या क्या करना है तुमको, इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया क्रिटिकल मिनरल कॉम्पैक्ट, पीएम धन कृषि योजना अप्रूव, इसरो सेमी क्रायोजेनिक इंजन टेस्ट. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो द आरबीआई रेपो रेट अनचेंज एट 6%, 12 कंसेक्यूटिव टाइम 6%. सर्विस नेक्स्ट आते हैं, उसके बाद वो देखते हैं इंडिया सर्विस पीएमआई राइज टू 61.2 इन जुलाई 2026. What do you mean? Service purchaser manager index rise to 61.2 in July 2006. Okay, India service PMI rose to 61.2 in July 2026 from 58.4 in June. Okay, this is good point. Okay, new order and business activity increased sharply. It indicates strong growth in service sector. Okay, service sector. PMI is increased from June to July. Okay, नीति आयोग रिलीज स्टेट हेल्थ इंडेक्स 2025. मीन्स देखो नीति आयोग योजना, this all are very important for the government exam. Niti Ayog released the state health index 2025. Kerala ranked first, followed by Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Means State is more healthy in our country. So, according to the Niti Aayog released State Health Index 2025, Kerala ranked first, followed by Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Means Kerala is the first state where the people are very healthy, and after that Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. The evaluate state it states on health outcome, governance, and key performance indicator. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, World Day Against Trafficking in Person observed on 30 July. Means 30 July को what is the World Day Against Trafficking in Person. The World Day Against Trafficking in Person is observed annually on 30 July. Theme 2026: Human Trafficking is Organized Crime and Exploitation. Means you see the news, the drug supply, trafficking of drug and other things. So this the theme of this 2026 is human trafficking is organized crime and the exploitation of human. It aims to raise awareness and certain action against human trafficking. Okay, yeah. Human don't use the human trafficking, not use exploit the humans about for the personal use and the other things. So this is all about World Day Against Trafficking in Person observed on 30 July. IOC, come to the last point. IOC, SPCL, and BPCL sign memorandum of understanding for green energy corporation. देखो, we all know that future is for the green energy and green energy. So IOC and HPCL and BPCL is step forward to the forward and sign MOU for green energy corporation. IOC and HPLC and BPL sign as MOU to collaborate in green energy and sustainability. Focus area: green hydrogen, biofuel, carbon capture, and renewable energy. So this is very important. Hopefully you all know. Wait a minute. फोकस एरिया कहाँ का है? Green hydrogen, biofuel, carbon capture, carbon capture and renewable energy. Okay, it will support India energy transition goal. Okay, तो 30 जुलाई वर्ल्ड डे अगेंस्ट ट्रैफिकिंग इन पर्सन. हम 29 को क्या पढ़े थे? वर्ल्ड टाइगर डे विच इज स्टार्ट ऑन 1973. 30 को क्या हो गया? 30 जुलाई. So this is all about. So what we release the state health index. The Kerala is the number one in state health index. Service we have had 61.2 in July from June 58.4. Okay. Now this is all about today current affair from 30 July. So motivation for you: every small step today, big result tomorrow. Means whatever you step forward today, it always result you big tomorrow. Okay, so hopefully तुम्हें अच्छा लगा होगा. So we will meet again. We will see current affair for tomorrow. And तब तक के लिए पढ़ाई करते रहो and be aware, be update. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching. Bye bye.